In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Webflow menu to undo an action. This is a crucial skill for anyone working in Webflow, as it helps recover from mistakes or go back to a previous design state with ease. Whether you are a seasoned designer or just starting, mastering how to effectively navigate through Webflow's interface will greatly enhance your workflow and efficiency. Let's start with an overview of why using the undo function is so important. As you work on your projects, especially complex ones, there will inevitably be moments where you need to reverse certain changes. This could be anything from accidentally deleting an element to making a style adjustment that you're not quite happy with. Having a clear understanding of how to undo these actions will save you time and help prevent frustration. Now, to access the undo function through the Webflow menu, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the Webflow logo. It's prominently displayed in the top left corner of the designer interface, making it easy to find. Clicking on this logo will open up a menu with a variety of options. Don't worry if you feel unsure at this stage. This is a common place to navigate for various functionalities, and using it will soon become second nature. Once the menu is open, take a look at the options presented to you. Among them, you will find the undo option. Selecting this will instantly revert your most recent action, taking your design a step back to where it was prior to the change. It's quite simple and effective. Remember, though, that this function works in sequence, meaning it will only undo the most recent action unless you repeatedly use the undo feature to go back step by step. A quick tip while you handle this process: keep an eye on the changes you make as you work. This mindfulness will not only make undoing actions easier and more intuitive, but it also helps you maintain a strategic approach to your design workflow. In case you find yourself needing to undo several changes, consider the keyboard shortcuts available in Webflow, which can make this process even quicker. While today's focus is on using the menu, remember that a combination of methods can provide flexibility and efficiency in your design process. As we wrap up, always remember that utilizing the undo option isn't just about correcting mistakes. It's about granting yourself the flexibility to experiment freely. Webflow has designed this feature to allow for creativity without the fear of making irreversible errors. So feel free to explore and push boundaries with your designs, knowing you have the safety net of the undo function just a few clicks away. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful for you as you continue your journey in mastering Webflow. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!